Amazing PowerPoint trick. Select hollow circle from the Shapes tab and place it on the slide. Adjust the size to 5.9. Insert a thin rectangle placing the center of the slide. Now duplicate the rectangle, rotate and place it like this. Now select all the shapes, go to Merge Shapes and choose Fragment. Remove the unwanted area. Now select the shape and press Ctrl G to group it. Drag this shape above something like this. Rotate the shape, change the color to grey and remove its outline. Right click and go to Format Shape. Double click this area. Choose Picture Fill. Click on Insert. Select from a file and choose a picture from your system. Untick Rotate with Shape. Duplicate the slide and change the color to grey. Rotate once again. Go to Picture Fill and insert any picture. Make sure you untick Rotate with Shape. Duplicate the slide and repeat the process. Now fill the title and the content in all the slides. Go to first slide, click on Transition, select Morph and apply it to all. Click on Slideshow to see the end results. Try using this design in your own projects to present ideas with impact. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.